Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.5, 8th question. If 3 plus k, 18 minus k, comma 5k plus 1 are in AP, then find the value of k. Okay. So see, here it is given, it is an AP. Given sequence is an AP, then find the value of k. So we know that already. So given sequence is an AP means common difference is equal. So using that condition, we will find the value of k. So see solution for that. Given 3 plus k, if 3 plus k, 18 minus k, 5k plus 1 are in AP. Are in AP means common difference is equal. Common difference is equal. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Only 3 terms only is given, so equate. So, first T2 term 18 minus K minus of 3 plus K. This equal to 5K plus 1 minus of 18 minus K. Now, this minus is common for both also, like that. This side also minus is common. So now here 18 minus k, here minus 3 minus k is equal to 5k plus 1 minus 18 minus into minus plus k. Now next step you see k everything one side, numbers everything one more side. Also first you should write minus k add means minus 2k, 18 3 go means plus 15. Simplify and write first the left hand side. Like that right hand side 5k plus 1k add means 6k. Next minus 18 plus 1 go means minus 17. Okay, next k 1 k left hand side and the constant right hand side. Then means plus 6k this side comes minus 6k. Already minus 2k is there, so minus 6k is equal to minus 17 plus 15 that side go minus 15. Now this 2 you should add means minus 8k is equal to minus this you should add means 20 32. Now both side minus minus cancel, k is equal to 32 by 8. 8 will go down. So you should cancel with the 8 table. Okay, we will get 4 8s are 32. So k value is 4. So already question it is given, it is an AP. Using that condition we receive the answer k value is 4. Okay, that's all. See next ninth question. Find x, y and z given that the numbers x, 10, y, z are in AP. Then before sum, the same method you want to work out this sum. Here but 4 term is given. See solution. And then question it is given, it is or in AP, then find the value of unknown values x, y, z. Okay. So see solution first. So given x 10, y, z are in AP. So the given sequence. So we know that common difference is equal. It is an AP, common difference is equal. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. Because here 4 term is given. So T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. So you should substitute now. Then what you will receive? 10 minus x is equal to y minus 10 is equal to z minus y you will receive. Yes, 10 minus x is equal to y minus 10 is equal to next z minus, sorry, see, sorry, here it is given before z, here 24 is there, 24 comma z. So one more number is there are 5 numbers is given, 24 comma z. So here also x 10, y 24 comma z are in AP. That means T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, T5 minus 24. So you should write. Then means here y minus 10, next to 24 minus y. 24 minus y is equal to z minus 24. Okay. Now any two terms you should compare, then we will receive answer. So first this two term I will compare. So compare the two terms. So y minus 10 is equal to 24 minus y. So these two terms equate means you will receive the value of y. So minus y this side comes, plus y, plus 10, minus 10 that side go, plus 10. Now y plus y, 2y is equal to 34. Now y is equal to 34 by 2. Then y you will receive as a 12. Okay. 17 2s are 34. So y you will receive as a 17. Now, so first two terms you should compare and y value substitute means you will receive the value of x. Okay. So next, so compare these two terms. Next, which two terms? 10 minus x is equal to y minus 10. These two you compare. Okay. Then compare means, see, 10 minus x is equal to y value is what is it? 17. So 17 minus 10. Since y value is equal to 17, you substitute here. So you substitute, you will receive this. Therefore, here 10 minus x. Now 10 minus x is equal to 7. 17 minus 10, 7. Now minus x is equal to 7 minus 10. Plus 10 that side go, minus 10. Now this you should cancel. Minus x is equal to minus 3. Minus minus cancel means x you will receive as a 3. Okay. So x and y we received. Okay. X is 3. Y is equal to 17. Next z we need. Yes. So next two terms want to compare. Next two terms. What is the last two terms you should compare? What is that? 24 minus y is equal to z minus 24. This you want to compare. Okay. What is a y4 minus y3 is equal to y5 minus y4. That you should compare. Compare means now you see here 24 minus 17. Z value is 17. So 17 is equal to z minus 24. Since your y value is 17. Now see here z you want. Okay, that means minus 24. This side comes plus 24. So already 24, 17 go means remaining 7. So 7 is equal to z minus 24. Now 7 plus 24 is equal to z. Because minus 24 this side comes plus 24. Now you should add means 31. So therefore z is equal to 31. Therefore we want to find the value of x, y, z. So x value is 3, y value is 17 and z value is 31. That's all. Therefore we received as the answer. X is 3, y is equal to 17, z is equal to 31. So we received that answer. That's all. See, next question 10 to 1. Question, you look at the book. See, in the theater, there are 20 seats in front row and 30 rows were allotted. Okay, first row 20 seats are there. Then totally 30 rows were allotted. Each successive rows contain 2 additional seats. Then its front row. How many seats are there in the last row? Okay, first row 20 seats means second row 22 seats. Then third row 26 seats, like that it is going on. Okay, 2 seats, 2 additional seats is increasing by each rows. Okay, then we want to find how many seats are there in the last row, how many seats are there we want to find. So for that, see solution, given that total number of rows is equal to 30. Okay, so in first row there are how many seats? So that is, you take it as a A. Okay, so first you want to write in front row number of seats is equal to 20. Therefore here first term A is equal to 20. Okay, then it is given each row contains two additional seats. Then means this is called common difference. D is equal to 2. Okay, because it is increasing 20, 22, 24 like that. It's form an AP. Okay, so like that, this each row contains two additional seats. Then therefore it's form an AP. That is first row 20, 22, 24 up to etc. 30th row it will go on. 30th row, how many seats are there we want to find. Okay, therefore next the number of seats in 30th row. Okay, 30th row you want to find. So we know that formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, A value is there, D value is there. Okay, so first term A value is 20, then common difference D is equal to 2. Okay, then n is equal to, here n is equal to 30. 30th row only how many seats we want to find. N is equal to 30. Therefore you should substitute the values. So T30 is equal to A value is 20 plus 30 minus 1 into 2. So 20 plus 29 into 2. Okay, so 20 plus, first you should multiply 29 into 2. So 58. So you should add this to 78. Therefore the number of seats in 30th row is equal to 78. Okay, in 30th row how many seats are there? Totally 78 seats. Okay, that's all. See, next question, very important. This one is like that example sum is there. Okay, that also it's very important. Okay, so in example sum 4 consecutive terms are in AP, it is given. Okay, so first this question you look at the sum of 3 consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. In example 4 consecutive terms are there in AP, it is given, we want to find 4 terms. Okay, both the questions also very important. It's like the same method you want to work out example problem. Okay, so here formula is there. So how AP look like A plus D, A plus 2D up to etc. Okay, you know, like that. Here 3 consecutive terms you want to take it as first. See solution, you want to choose, let 3 consecutive terms are A minus D, A plus D. Okay, 3 consecutive terms of an APs are 3 consecutive terms of an APs are A minus D, A plus D. So you want to choose like that. So you are choosing like that, easily we will receive answer. Okay, so for that purpose I'm choosing this A minus D, A plus D. 3 consecutive terms I'm choosing like that. Okay, like formula. So suppose 4 consecutive terms means A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D, like that you want to choose. Okay, so example sum you check it. Now it is given that this sum is 27. So this 3 terms you should add means answer is 27. So you should add A minus D, A plus D, you should add means 27. So plus D minus D it will go. How many A's are there? 3A. 3A is equal to 27. A is equal to 27 by 3 will go down. So you should cancel 9 3's are 27. So A value you received as a 9. Okay. Next, product of 3 terms. Next it is given product of 3 terms. Here sum of 3 terms is A sum of three terms is 27. A product of three terms is 288. Okay, so now these three terms you want to multiply. So a minus d into a plus d. So you should multiply this. Multiply means we will receive the answer 288. Okay, using the result we will find out first a and d value. Okay, first term and common difference. So using first term and common difference we will receive the three terms. Okay, what are the three terms you will find out. Okay, now so you should product this. How we want to product this two? You should compare this two. You should compare this a front you write. Now what is the formula of a minus b into a plus b, or else a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. A square minus b squared is equal to 288. Use formula a minus b into a plus b, or else a plus b into a minus b. So using this we will receive as a square minus d square. Now next step, a value want to substitute. So substitute a value is 9. 9 of 9 square minus d square is equal to 288. Okay. Now this 9 square value is 81 minus d square 288 whole divided by 9. This multiplication 9, that's why go division by 9. Okay. So you should divide it by 9. So you should cancel this. 81 minus d squared is equal to 9 3s are 27. Remaining one 2 9s are 18. So 32. Cancel means 32 you will get. Now minus d squared is equal to plus 32 plus 81. This side comes minus 81. Now you should separate. Minus d squared is equal to, we will receive as a minus 49. So now plus minus minus both the side will get cancelled. Therefore d is equal to square root of 49. This square that side goes square root of 49. While taking square root of 49 we will receive the answer plus or minus 7. Wherever you are taking the square root we will receive the answer plus or minus. But maximum we will choose, okay, plus value only. So based on that sums we want to choose like that. So here we need to choose both the symbol also plus or minus 7. Now therefore the values of a is equal to 9, d is equal to plus or minus 7. Okay, so both answer we received. Therefore here asked find the three terms. Therefore the three terms are, therefore the three terms are a minus d, a plus d. First condition use. When a is equal to 9, d is equal to plus 7 means 9 minus 7, 9, 9 plus 7. So what you will receive the answer means 2, 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 2, 9, so 16. These three terms. So whether you check it and see, so you should add these three values. Okay. So sum of the three consecutive terms of an AP is 27. Okay. So whether you should check it this, you will receive the answer. Next, you substitute when a is equal to 9, d is equal to minus 7 means a minus d. So 9 minus of minus 7, 9, 9 plus minus 7. Okay, so what you will receive the answer here, minus into minus plus, so 9 plus 7 16, 9, then plus into minus minus, so 9 minus 7 we will receive as a 2. Therefore the three terms are 1 or 2 9 16 or else 16 9 2. Okay, that's all. So you check it and see. This 3 you should add means we will receive as a 27. This 3 you should multiply means you will receive as a 288. Therefore the three terms like that. These 3 you should add means are the same. Multiply means 288, the same only. So therefore both answer we received 1 or 2 9 16 or else 16 9 2. Okay, that's all.